Welcome back to Motorize. Today we are getting greedy into the radical action of Lexus in the EV world, which is the 2026 Lexus RZ 550e F Sport AWD. This is a luxury, advanced technology and performance all-electric SUV all rolled into one beautiful present. Whether it is its powertrain or its design, interior, price and launch date, we are going to break it all down. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. Below the smooth body, the RZ 550e F Sport AWD is powered by two electric motors, each with one axle, which provide a combined output of approximately 402 horsepower and 450 lv-ft of power. That is power enough to shoot this luxury SUV 0 to 60 miles per hour in merely approximately 4.5 seconds, the strongest variants of the RZ so far. It also comes fitted with the latest Direct 4 all-wheel drive system in Lexus that continuously adjusts power between the front and rear wheels to ensure maximum grip and agility. A range of approximately 310 miles per charge is to be expected, provided by a huge 91 kWh battery pack and under 30 minutes with DC fast charging, and you can charge your battery 10% to 80%. The RZ 550e F Sport AWD 2026 is a performance car that has a performance badge. The front receives a high-profile spindle grille style closed fascia with more violent LED headlights and more sporty bumper treatment. Its side view displays its coupe-like SUV body shape with smooth body lines and 20 to 21-inch F Sport alloy wheels. Sharp LED tail lights are seen at the back, which run across the width to give a futuristic but sporty appearance. And to make it a bit different, the F Sport model includes black accents, sport bumpers and aerodynamic upgrades. The interior is pure Lexus luxury sport. Anticipate high-quality leather upholstered seats, bearing F Sport emblems, aluminium pedals and unique red-black color schemes. Tech features a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, which comes with a digital 12.3-inch driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and over-the-air updates. The Lexus also comes up with their next generation Mark Levinson premium audio, panoramic glass roof, ambient lighting and high-tech voice command. On the safety front, you have Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 that provides an adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera and even automated lane change assist. Now let's talk numbers. Lexus RZ 550e F Sport AWD will have a starting price of approximately $72,000 with the upgrades and packages approaching $80,000. Regarding the availability, Lexus will release it at the end of 2025 and the deliveries will start at the beginning of 2026. Hence, there it is, the 2026 Lexus RZ 550e F Sport AWD. The Lexus electric future is defined by a luxury electric SUV that is both stylish and quick as well as technologically advanced. However, now is the big question, would you choose this among competitors such as the BMW iX, Audi Q8 e-tron or Tesla Model X? Please tell us in the comment section. And be sure not to forget to like, subscribe and the bell icon in order to ensure you do not miss the newest car reviews right here on Motorize. Thanks, enjoy and we shall meet you there in the next one.